Imagine being able to enjoy all your favorite music on Spotify without paying full price. Sounds amazing, right? Well, you're in luck. If you love music but you don't want to break the bank, using a Flipkart coupon for Spotify is a great way to save. So here's how you can use it. First, you're going to head to Flipkart and you're going to search for the Spotify coupon. Once you find it, make sure to copy the code. Then go to Spotify and choose your plan. So whether it's a premium or a family plan, pick the one that suits you. When it's time to check out, you got to paste the coupon code that you got from Flipkart in the box where it asks for a discount or a promo code. Okay? If it's your first time using Spotify, the Flipkart coupon might even give you extra months for free. Okay? Another great trick is to check for any special Flipkart offers around holidays or sales. So, these often give even bigger discounts. Now you can enjoy music and you can save money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment your favorite Spotify playlist. And yeah, thanks for being here. See you later. Love you. Ciao.